A year ago, I was 315 pounds, depressed, sad, no desire to do anything, didn't even want to play with my kids. Friends would call me to go out and I'd make excuses why not to go out because the clothes was too tight and it didn't fit and it was just embarrassing. It was depressing for my family and it was just sad. But look at me now, I'm down 100 pounds in 10 months. I feel great, it's amazing. It's changed my life, my family's life. And that's all thanks to a program that Baptist Health provides to its employees. It's called My Unlimited Potential. It's amazing.
In 2007, the Wellness Advantage team came together. We decided it was time to take what we were doing to the next level. We decided that it was really time to address the health issues of our employees from a grassroots effort. The programs that were in place were great, but they're really for short term. So what we were looking for was really a lifestyle intervention program. What can we do to help our employees? From this, My Unlimited Potential came to be. We put together an amazing team of 5 specialists comprising a nurse practitioner, an exercise physiologist, a registered dietitian, a certified diabetes educator, and a registered nurse who specializes in stress reduction and anxiety reducing techniques. The foundation for this program is based on education, guidance, and a lot of support. The program is a year long, and the successes we've had have just been tremendous.
Some of them are as simple as coming in to get a quick weigh-in and a blood pressure check. Others a little bit longer. We spend with Doris depending on what's going on. As long as you put those...
My role is the nurse practitioner. Along with the medical director, I oversee the medical aspects of the program. I do the medical assessment. I do a full head-to-toe assessment. I make sure that they understand the nutrition prescription and the exercise prescription. I also make sure that they understand their disease process. I help them to manage their medication. I also help them to manage the emotional part of their health.
Do you have any questions?
Not yet.
Good job. That's it.
I work directly with the patients, doing their assessments, coming up with their exercise prescriptions that they follow throughout the course of the year. I meet them at the fitness center, depending on whatever location we're at, 3 days a week. We measure biometrics, we do body composition analysis, and then we also do submaximal stress testing. Also teaching them proper form, things that people are always confused about, kind of debunking myths about exercise and getting them to feel comfortable so that whenever they are done with the program, they'll feel comfortable going into another facility and doing everything on their own.
Perfect. When you feel my hand, push forward again. Perfect. That's 10 seconds, guys. And then you're gonna move to the next station.
I am the registered dietitian for the program. I basically do anything and everything that has to do with the nutritional needs of our participants. I then prepare for them a nutritional prescription. I also take them on grocery tours. We go around, I show them my produce section, which of course is my favorite. We go through the meat section. I have them read labels. And in the home visits, it's a team of us that go. We go over, again, labels. We go over the different foods. We look for hidden sodium in some of the products that they have. What does the different fats mean? And by the time you know it, it's time to leave, and they don't let us leave because they want to know more.
7 grams, not too bad. Now look for the sodium. Let's help your dad in case he decides to go and attack your stuff.
I am a certified diabetes educator, and my role is to reinforce what all the other team members are doing, in that they're creating a behavioral change for our employees, that they can take charge of now their life and their health and their well-being. So I ask them what their medication is. Do they know how it works? Do they know when to take it? do they check their blood sugar before exercise and after exercise to see how is their blood sugar affected by that exercise?
Medication, because it's going to again work with your main meal of the day.
My role in My Unlimited Potential is working as one of the program registered nurses. My focus is on stress management, stress reduction. I meet with all of the participants of the program for 2 sessions. During the first meeting, I introduce them to the resources available to them through Baptist Health for stress reduction and stress management. All the research shows that if you can play to your strengths and incorporate your support systems, that you'll have better success in managing your stress. You're going to lay aside some time each day for relaxation. Have you been able to pretty much stick to that? Or
A few minutes.
a few minutes? Excellent, excellent.
Any employee who's interested in applying to My Unlimited Potential fills out an application. If they meet certain requirements, we then pass them on to a panel interview where the team interviews them, asks them specific targeted questions just to get a better idea if they're really ready for this big commitment.
Tailored specifically to your needs.
The Potential fills out an app. They get invited to a kickoff celebration where we emphasize and reiterate the commitment to the program and give them a little bit more information. At the end of the year, we have a little get-together with the team members and employees to celebrate their accomplishments and for them to tell us a little bit about their experiences during the program.
There's not very many other places in the world that really take care of their employees like Baptist Hospital does. Because it's really made a big difference in my life. Sorry? I really feel that they have saved my life. I feel so honored and blessed. And I must say that God makes no mistakes. And when I was accepted into the program, I was so excited. I've been an employee for 20 years. And of all the benefits I've had, and I've had a lot in 20 years, I think this is the best gift that I've been given. So thank you all.
Come to My Unlimited Potential. I promise you, you will not be the same person when you're done.